Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Larry, and how are you? How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I don't know if you guys noticed something. Do you notice it? Do you notice it? Huh? You notice it yet? Ooh, my pores. I got new video equipment. I'm so excited. I got a new camera. These videos are about to be dope because this new camera is about to get us all the way together. It is my birthday, so I just want to film a birthday get ready with me for you guys. I'm not sure what I'm going to be going for. My outfit is pink, so I'm kind of thinking of a monochromatic look. Not sure if I want to do a monochromatic look. I might change my mind. I don't know. As this video progresses into whatever look we come up with, I will make sure to give you the details. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. But first, hit that subscribe button. Sis, hello? Hit the subscribe button, please, because this channel cannot progress without you subscribing. So do that first. Please comment, please like, and like I said, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Glam Larry, on Twitter at Glam Larry, where we get it popping. I have fun and stuff. I post pictures and stuff. I talk about my feelings. I express myself. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for this birthday look, sis, because regardless of what happens, it's gonna look cute. Okay? So first we're gonna start with a clean face. All I did was use my Fix Plus to kind of add some moisture. I also had like a little bit of a facial oil just to give me some more moisture. I am an oily girl, but if I leave my face dry, it'll make more oil, and God don't want that. What I'm gonna use for primer is actually a tester that I got from Sephora. I really like it. I'm actually gonna buy the big one eventually, but I say eventually, sis, because this was $52. So we're gonna start with the Touche Eclat primer. We're gonna start with that. We're actually gonna put that on the exterior of our face, and then on the interior of our face, which is my T-zone for me, I'm gonna use the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. That is what that looks like, and I'll use that in my T-zone area. Those are the areas where I tend to get the oiliest. I already did my brows. So for my brows, I just used the NYX Build 'em Up Powder Brow Filler. And I think this one is in the color Ash Brown. So I just used this. And then I also used, if it'll focus, yeah. So this one is on its last leg. I literally had like a teeny tiny nub to use. I don't really have a method of like every time I do my makeup, I do my eyes first or my face first. This one, we are going to go ahead and do our face first. Maybe. I lied. We're gonna do our face last because we are doing a glitter look, and we're gonna be actually using glitter pigments. The pigment I'll be using is the NYX glitter pigment, and it's in the color MGLI30. So this is what it looks like in the bottle. So now we're gonna prep our eyes. I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base, and I've got mine in the color neutral, and I have a lot of NYX products, so they're really affordable, and this stuff works. If you guys don't have an eyeshadow base, just use a concealer. Any concealer works. So we're gonna go ahead and put our eyes. Just a little quick tip, when you guys do put your concealer or your eyeshadow base on there, make sure you set with a powder. I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to set my eyeshadow. You can use a pressed powder, just any type of powder to set, because like I said before in my previous videos, you would know if you watched my previous videos, sis. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M3502 palette. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you can see. So I'm taking this color. Orb. Oh my gosh, dude. In my shots. We're gonna use this color Orb. Excess off, and then we're basically gonna put that and sweep that into our crease. I think we're gonna turn this into like an orange, purpley pink look. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna roll with that. We're gonna go with that vibe because I can do some things. I can do some things. I go back into my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to use the color Ablaze, which is right here in the palette. I'm using my Morphe M504 brush. I want this to be more of an orange look, so I'm actually going to take my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This one is what it looks like. I got this from Ulta for, I think, $15. I'm actually going to use this color right here in the palette. It doesn't have, these don't have names. Maybe there's names on the back. Hold please. It's tragic. Y'all see this? That is the naming system. These are the ingredients. This isn't even the color. I just did this for no reason. I'm gonna take this color right here in the palette and we're going to put that into this area of your crease because we want to make it more of an orange color because we're going for an orange look. So I'm gonna press this in because what I find with this palette is the colors are very vibrant, but they also like to move a lot. Okay, so now to give me the purple look that I'm going for, I'm going to use this color right here in the Pat McGrath palette. This is the Mothership 5, the Bronze Seduction palette. I'm going to use this color right here and I'm going to concentrate that into the corner of my eye and kind of bring it into my crease a little bit. Knock off the excess because if you guys watch my last video, which I do review on this palette, you will know why I say that. Eyes look a little bit messy, but it's okay because we're going to do a cut crease so that our eyelid really stands out. So you're going to take your foundation and you're basically going to take an angled brush like I have right here, and you're basically going to cut the area where you want to have a blank brand new canvas, and you're going to fill that in. So right here where I got some base is over this eyeshadow. Let's go back over this eyeshadow and fill it in. It's totally fine, no big deal. And you're gonna set it like you did before, and then we'll go back to the eye look. Now that you have your cut crease, I'm gonna go back to my NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to start off with this color right here in the palette. I'm going to pat that on the outermost area of my eyelid, and I'm gonna leave my crease, I'm gonna leave my corner about halfway with no color. And I'm going to press it onto the eye. And I'm gonna leave this area right here. I'm gonna stop about right here and leave the rest of this area with no pigment. I'm gonna go back into that same palette and I'm going to use this color right here and put this in the area where I do not have any pigmentation. And I'm gonna use a flat blending brush for this one also. And as I'm packing this on, I am going to blend it into the purple area. So it should kind of look like this and give you a light to dark gradient effect. Now I'm just going to take a small blending brush. This one has some orange on it, but it's okay. And I'm going to go in and basically blend out the colors where my crease and my lid meet so I have a seamless transition. Now we are ready for the fun part, our glitter. So this has a shaker top on this, which is really forgiving. A lot of them don't usually have that. It's usually just a big hole and you might dump it all out, and having glitter everywhere is terrible. Glitter out into a pan. You don't need too much. This is about the amount that I have right here. Like you said, you don't need too much. Am I going just a little bit? No. Too much glitter in here, somebody. I'm going to take a glitter primer. When you use glitter, you want to use a glitter primer. You don't want to use just a regular eyeshadow base. You want something that is very sticky for the glitter to hold on to, or all night you'll just have glitter all over yourself. It won't stay on, so don't even try it. But for this, I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid, to the areas of my eyelid where I do want the glitter to show. So I'm patting this on because this glitter is very sticky. Like, it's very, very sticky. And you want to keep your eye shut, because if you open your eye, it will get into your crease and be really, really sticky. So I'm actually gonna take my finger and kind of go over it just a little bit to spread it out. I'm gonna start in the middle of my eye. So I'm gonna take a flat brush just like this one, and I'm basically going to pat that glitter onto my eye. So remember how I said I was only gonna keep the glitter in the middle? I don't know what happened. It just, you know, didn't stay there. So we ended up putting it all over the lid, but it's our born day, so who cares? I'm actually gonna use two foundations. I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way. Mine is in the color Praline, and then I'm going to also use it along with the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. Girl, I'm gonna use every last drop of this Too Faced. I'm putting the tube on my face, and what you gonna do? Nothing. Keep watching. That's what. And then to blend out, I'm gonna use my Morphe M439 brush with a splash of Fix Plus. We're gonna take two concealers, like I always do, because we stack, because we extra. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Stick in the color Caramel, and then I will top that with Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I got this in the shade Golden Beige. And then to contour, we're going to use our Fenty Beauty Stick in the color Truffle. Sculpt that nose, sis. Snatch it like a fake waist. I let my concealer sit for like a minute or so, because I feel like it just adheres to my skin and blocks out any hateration, anything that can like just penetrate my face and my soul. So I like to just let it sit for a couple minutes, and then when I do blend, I blend out the lighter areas first, and then I blend out my darker areas. To blend, I'm using a damp sponge. I'm using the e.l.f. sponge, the $5 Holla. Love this, sis. Get you one. Our face is blended, so we are going to set. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to apply eyeliner. I'm actually just going to trace my eyelid right here, right above my lashes. I'm not going to wing this out. I'm going to leave it leaving right here, and this is just to be in preparation for our lashes. And then also the lashes that we will be using is the Marquise lashes by Eyelure. Love these. Check them out. And next I'm going to take my NYX mechanical eye pencil, and I'm going to line my waterline. And no, this is not a sponsored video by NYX, but Lord, sister honey, sister child, I wish it was. My MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color, whoops, wrong one, in the color Dark Golden, and I'm going to use that to brush off all of my excess powder. Then I'm going to take my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. You say that 3 times fast. I'm going to take that and put that all over my highlighted areas, so like my T-zone area. I'm going to take my Too Faced bronzer. This is in Dark Chocolate Solei, and I'm going to put this all over my contour area. Ooh, yes. to life. Too Faced bronzer, bring me back to life. Oh yes, we are looking like a thick waist. Oh yes, we are looking like fake waist. See that snatch? I know you see it. Now I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm using the Morphe M508 brush. I'm going to use that in conjunction with that purple color that we used in the Dominique palette. This one right here. And I'm going to basically set my waterline and smoke it out a bit. Now for blush, we're going to take the Patrick Star MAC blush and Take Me Home. So it's kind of got like a mauve-y purple color, which we want to keep in theme with that. So we'll sweep that over the cheeks. Ooh, hey, we looking cute. We looking cute. Back it up, back it up. Looking cute. Ooh, me, yes you, and you. We're gonna go into the Patrick Star MAC palette in the color Play With Me. This is what this palette looks like. I'm only using this to get this color right here. And you can wet your brush just to give it more of a metallic look. Now our face is almost complete, but we've got to do our highlight. So what I like to do is I like to spray my face with like a Fix Plus, what I got here. Let it set for just a little bit. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambreezy highlighter. And this is what it looks like. It is super pretty. We're going to take that and apply that to the highest points of our face. And then just add a little drama because it is the boring day. I'm actually going to take this color right here and I'm going to dip my brush in that just a little bit and put that on my cheeks just to add a little bit of glitter. And that's it. It's like I said, it's a birthday get ready with me. So let me show you guys my outfit. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. I actually got this from Fashion Nova. I don't remember what the set is called, but I got it in a large. It is very stretchy. The material it's thin. It's not like bad material, but it's very thin. Pooch on the side, it shows that. But yeah, this is the birthday look on my ears. I have these earrings right here. They are from Alda. Okay guys, so that was the finished look. Just a quick birthday get ready with me. So hope you guys enjoyed this look. Hopefully it was easy enough and it was more detailed now that I got a new camera. So for my lips, what I did is I used MAC's Fashion Punch. This is the Patrick Star line. If you didn't get a theme, I love Patrick Star. And then I used Too Faced Born This Way. Not Too Faced Born This Way. I used Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my bottom lashes. Comment down below, please like, please subscribe. You can find me on Instagram at Glam Larry, which is down here somewhere. And you can find me on Twitter at Glam Larry, which is down here somewhere. So yeah, remember to tell a friend to comment, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.